Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on the Multitasking Conditioner by Smith. So as you can see, it's pretty thick, but it goes on really nicely. And here I'm just finger detangling my hair and making sure that all of my strands are fully coated as much as possible, especially the ends, because y'all know that we need extra TLC for our ends. So here I'm just detangling it again to make sure that everything is good. And the first way that you can use the conditioner is as a rinse out. So here, as you can see, I am rinsing my hair out, and I feel like the conditioner really made the detangling process easier for me, especially for those days when, you kind of neglect your curls a little bit. So y'all know how that goes. So right now I'm just making sure that it's fully rinsed out so that later on when it's time to do my wash and go, it's not extra, creamy. So fully detangled, and it's all rinsed out of my hair now. And so I'm going to show you the second way that you can use the conditioner. And I am going back in with the conditioner again and evenly dispersing it all over my hair and making sure that all of the strands are fully coated. You might need to go in a couple of times to get some more conditioner just to make sure that your hair is fully covered. And I feel like the more that you use, the better off your hair will be and the more conditioned it will be. So the second way that you can use this conditioner is as a deep conditioner. So here I'm just creating two little twists in two different sections, and I'm going to then put it up in a little bun and kind of keep it in my hair for a little bit. And then it's going to deep condition my curls. And so now I am finished here. And I am going to pull it back into a quick bun for a few minutes so that it can saturate my curls and rejuvenate them. And so during this time, you could typically, get the rest of your showering done. But for the purpose for this video, I'm just kind of being silly just to kind of kill some time here. And now I'm about to take it out. And so my curls are fully deep conditioned and they feel very detangled and ready to go back in again for the third way that you can use this conditioner, and you can use it as a leave-in. So now I'm going back in right before styling it just to make sure that my curls are detangled and have more conditioner on them. And like I said, it's okay to use to go back into the jar more than once just to make sure that your hair is fully covered. I really enjoyed the way that it made my hair feel and the way that it detangled it so easily. So then I am now going in with the Shape Up Aqua Gel by Smith as well. And I am going to begin the styling process. And as well with that, I am just evenly dispersing it all over my hair again. And it is a gel. I love using gels on my hair, and they work really well for me. And, I use the scrunch method as well, just to make sure that my curls are extra defined later on when it's time to dry them. And now for the results. Here you have it. Here are the results from the Multitasking Conditioner used as a leave-in, a rinse out, as well as a deep conditioner. And I really like the results overall. My curls are popping. As y'all can see, I love it. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll talk to you again next time.